at HQ. Today will be the last day that guy will be on there. We're using that to cut it off.
So I have a Sawzall and all that. It'd be so much faster, but I don't feel like it.
I don't feel like it.
Nah, I don't really feel like it.
I'm just gonna use this guy. Shit, I hope that fits around there.
Cheap, inexpensive way
3 1/4. It'll work.
to make this louder. Alright, word to the wise.
Hot garbage.
Trash. Don't use one of those. We gotta go to the store now. It's becoming a trend. We will be back. Alright, we got old hacksaw. We also picked a load up from Harbor Freight and some premium Bauer blades. So I will get this cut off and then we'll see you back in a sec. Alright, muffler's off right there. Oh, there's our cuts. You know, we gotta see what it sounds like. So after further inspection, it just sounds too good to hook up the muffler to lead back to the resonator. So we're gonna go to O'Reilly's. We're gonna get a dump. We're just gonna dump it straight from the bed. Trip number 2. All right, so this is the route we're going. Mainly because
It sounds so good.
it sounds so good, but you know, I screwed up. I cut where I was supposed to here, but I took a little bit too much off here. So where'd that pipe go? Oh. So that is just too short. So we're gonna dump it. And yeah, I mean, we'll run that until I get headers for this thing, so.
Later that same evening.
Oh, there we go. That's the wide mode. All right. Here we are.
Oh, we're okay.
We had to spot. But
Carter's struggling with a fish.
finally got Carter back with us.
Trying to catch fish.
Let me turn the brightness down a little bit. Got him. Look at that. Crazy tonight over him, but the rods are out. The fish blind a little dirty right now, but that's all right. That'll get clean.
Thank you, sir.
And Unk is rigging Carter's
Oh.
Oh.
I ain't that old.
Unk's
I'm still big, bro.
Unk's rigging.
Big bro.
Perfect.
Good shit.
Do I need to keep it open?
No, close it.
Close the
Like
door.
rod holder.
My turn? Okay.
This dude said, let me film the cast. Cast it before I turn the damn camera on.
Pete said that. I didn't say that.
We'll get some light over here and y'all can see what we're using.
Oh, has a live crawfish. Wanda has a salty or a black goldfish. They look pretty cool.
We gotta show y'all. Just kidding. Just the sunfish.
Oh, God. He's not rattling. You hold this light.
And these are salty. They look like little largemouth bass without the stripe, but it's just a goldfish.
And then
Time to lock in.
lock the hell in. Hey, we on him. We on him.
Remember,
Yo, we need the
I've been
net.
popping my collar. Little gar.
Let's go. Hey, what's up, buddy?
What up, buddy?
Little guy.
Little oh. That was a perfect hook too.
I get the bat. Oh my! Look at that. He hooked himself, man.
Do it one more time. He should come off. Damn.
Cut you?
That's his blood now.
Okay.
No, but I felt his teeth go.
He smacked. Look at him. We smacked the shit out of him. I thought he was going for the balls. I'm not
Dude.
gonna lie. That's the change.
Doesn't fail. Oh, I'm bleeding a little bit, but it ain't too bad. Ooh. Can I taste it?
Bro, I told you to stop doing that in public.
Bro, busted.